Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I have the Flexispot Lune Recliner. This is the kind of comfort that doesn't fade after hours. The way the feel is in the cushions are perfect for contouring your body and not exhausting you by having any hard spots.
For my Flexispot Lune Recliner, I chose a color that perfectly went in my living room. This is a ceramic color. Later in the video, I'll show you all the rest. I had decorated my living room with this relaxing tone of beiges, so the recliner fit in perfectly to my space. But with the recliner, it's not all about the looks, it's about the feel. And with Flexispot, with this Lune recliner, there's added features. So when I'm in my recliner, I have a tabletop near me. It's a flexible tabletop that I can bring in and out. It's stable and strong. It can hold the weight of heavy things like my computer and my cell phone and my electrical devices. It's unique in the recliner world because it comes with a small side table that you can put things on even when you're not sitting there. You could stack your newspapers on there if you wanted to. But here I am using my computer and my cell phone. And with electronic devices, it has a USB and a Type-C charging port. It's right by the electrical recline button. Having those devices to be able to be charged while I'm in my recliner is so handy and convenient. I love this feature so much, I use it constantly as I'm sitting in it for charging my devices, which always seem to run low on battery. Take a phone call and I can chat on the phone, even though my phone is low on battery, and I can be in a very comfortable position in my Flexispot Lune Recliner.
The connections make it so easy so I can do work while it's being charged in the chair. I do a lot of work at home, and so it's wonderful to be in a really relaxed chair to do my work. I can work longer, feeling more comfortable. This is one of my favorite rooms to be in with the fireplace. This chair looks great in this room. It's so handy to have those charger inlets right on the side of the chair.
That's not all that's on the swivel tray table. There's also a cup holder. I'm going to show you how that swivel tray will rotate around. It has a full 360-degree rotation. And look at this cup holder come out. It's perfect for holding my hot cup of tea. It's secure, and that hot tea is not going to spill. It accepts different diameters of cups. My tea is skinny on the bottom, but it's stable right here. And that tray table has plenty of room for me to put my snacks and my heavy bird book. I'm a little bird crazy, and I love to look at my bird book and relax and read in my Flexispot Lune Recliner. It's so nice to unplug from the digital world and just enjoy space and time as I recline and relax and read my book. I need to know what's been flying around my house lately. I think relaxing and reading just go together. Let me show you the different positions I can recline to. Here is what the button looks like that you press to get in your different reclining positions. It's a simple press. It's intuitive. With a gentle flowing motion, it will recline back. It is not jerky in its response as you press the button. It doesn't go too fast, which is great, because you can easily stop at exactly the position you want, reclining back at a nice gentle flow. Coming back to an upright position is the same gentle flow. It is not jarring, and it also has an adjustable headrest. It is a 3-level manual adjustable headrest, and that way your head can be at different postures. So with my hands, I just move my headrest to match the posture I want. This is a huge step forward in recliners. Before that, you were stuck with whatever the headrest was, but by being able to put your head forward makes it so you're in a comfortable position in order to perhaps read or do something close up. Yet when you put it all the way back, you're able to relax or take a nap. So let me show you. Here are the 3 different adjustments. Here's forward. That's all the way forward that I've adjusted to. Now here's medium, and here's all the way back. That's a very innovative design that the Flexispot Lune Recliner has incorporated, that their research and development figured out how to put that in a recliner. I'm impressed with the company Flexispot. I reviewed many of their products and every single one is highly evolved and cutting edge in the features.
The chair's upholstery, this material is genuine leather. The finish on the leather has such a fine texture. I don't know if you can see that, but it has a small light bit of texture on it, so it feels so comfortable against your skin. I think here you might be able to pick that up and see that. And listen to this. That is a sound of that high quality leather as I'm grabbing my fingernails and pulling it across. And when it gets dirty, it's easy to clean up with just a sponge.
The Flexispot Lune Recliner item number Luna-W arrives right to your door in these 2 boxes. Here's the first box. I put it right on my living room floor. Here are all sides of the box. Here's the top of the box, which even comes with information how to reach customer support if you had any questions. Nice touch. I open the box. This is how it comes packaged. Everything is well wrapped and cushioned for transport to your house. Here is the second box. Here are all sides of the second box. I open that. Here's how this came packaged. Point out that everything is so wrapped. They've thought a lot about not having anything get damaged during shipping. I unwrapped everything, and here are all the pieces. I flipped over the seat of the chair so you could see the base. And there we have a box and the user manual. We have some parts that came in a white plastic wrapper. Here is the box. I opened it up. That contained the electrical cord. Here's a close-up of the user manual. And in the white package, I opened that up. And that has your tray. Here's the back of it, and here's the top of it. It's a burnished silver color that's made to withstand fingerprints.
The assembly of the Flexispot Lune Recliner is so easy. The user manual is so easy to use. I'm going to follow it step by step. It doesn't take much at all. Check this out. I'm going to put the back right on the chair base. First step, and press firmly. Next step is putting the left-hand rail and the right-hand rail, the recliner arms, right onto the base and body of the chair. This is an easy step because this will just fit into this slot here and slide in. So line them up, and it's aim, shoot, and fire to get them in. And I'm going to give them one more tap to make sure they're down firmly. And the same thing for the other side, putting it in the slots and pressing the arms down. Now we're going to attach the support board side table right over here. Your chair comes with a small post that will screw into your base. There is a groove in the post, and I'm going to use this wrench to tighten it further. It's tight. We're going to put the post right into the chair, and you just take the plastic disc off that was there for shipping, and in the center your post aims and goes in. And check out this side table. It swivels. And it also has a cup holder. The last step is plugging it in. And for all those electrical features to work, you have to plug in the connector on the side of the arm into the base of the chair, which is located right underneath the chair. Simply line up the pegs to be received by the part in the chair. It'll snap right in, and you have a second security snap, so it doesn't come undone if you move your furniture around. Now you'll connect the power cord. The length of the power cord is 6 feet 8 inches with a 2-prong connection, which fits in any North American 120-volt normal household outlet. You'll see the green light. That means it's connected and it's on. And look at that. The assembly took just 5 minutes. It was so easy. Even I could do it. Time to check it out. I'm going to relax as if that was a lot of hard work. Not.
I am just thrilled with my Flexispot Lune Recliner. It's high quality, sturdy, looks great. I chose the one that was just right for me in my house for lots of time for me just to be cozy and relaxed with my Flexispot Lune Recliner. And for the holidays in 2025, Lune is offering great discounts, so be sure to check out their Black Friday discount.
Click the link below to get your Flexispot Lune Recliner. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is one for total relaxation that looks great. by Flexispot Lune. I'm going to take a nap right now. If you like this video, here's more over there, including some of my really comfort food recipes. Just click.